Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. One of the things that we don't get to spend a whole lot of time on is the recreational use of computer technology for folks with disabilities. However, we recently had a question when somebody asked, can you use a screen reader like JAWS to play solitaire? Well, so we're going to spend a little time with Belva, who is one of our screen reader experts, exploring whether or not that can be done.
Okay, we're going to take a look at using a screen reader to play the Windows Solitaire card game that comes with all of the Windows operating systems. It's been a long time since I've actually looked at trying to play any of the games that come with Windows with a screen reader, but recently I had a reason to investigate it, and I found that NVDA, which is the free screen reader, and JAWS both will play the solitaire game. So I have solitaire open here on my desk, and I'm going to use my arrow keys to move through. Actually, I'm on
Stack 7, number 77 of hearts button to activate, press space bar.
Can you hear the JAWS okay? Okay, so it told me that I'm on stack 7 and that my 7 of hearts is up, so I'll use the left arrow key.
Stack 6, number 6 of diamonds button to activate, press space bar.
So you can see that as I use the arrow key, it tells me where I am and what key or what card is actually up.
Stack 4, stack 3, number 3 ace of spades dash ended button to activate, press space bar.
And I'm on the ace of spades, and the ace of spades can be moved. So all I had to do was move the space bar, and it put it on the top row where I can play it. I actually am now going to come over to my card deck, and it told me to press the space bar. So if I wanted to move the 4 of clubs, I could go ahead and press the space bar and move it. If I want to know what's under the 4 of clubs, it doesn't necessarily announce that, but when I move down to the bottom row, I'm going to move the 7 of hearts to my 8 of spades. It will tell me what I have underneath the cards that I'm playing down here on this row. So, much to my surprise, using a screen reader, I can now kill some time playing solitaire on my Windows operating system.
So now you know how to spend a little of your extra free time if you're a JAWS user and want to play solitaire. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project in Indiana.